Very good morning, students. Today, exercise 1.c. This is the last exercise of this chapter. So here we will see round up the numbers. How we have to round up the numbers to the nearest 10, to the nearest 100, to the nearest 1000. Concept first of all you should keep in mind. So round up the numbers to the nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10 they ask. So that what we have to do? We have to uh, count the number first. Ones and tens. Ones, tens means tens place only we have to round up, right? So ones, tens. What is at tens place? 1. Okay. So in this, round up to the nearest 10. Tens place will be same, otherwise it will be changed in another number. Means 1 will be 1, otherwise it will convert to 2. Okay, but how? After that, what digit is there? 4. Okay, nearest 10 they ask. So I want after that digit 5 or more than 5 if it is there. Then it will be 2. 1 will get changed in 2. Otherwise it will be same only. See, if they ask nearest 10, so half of the 10, 5. 5 or more than 5 if it is, then it will be changed in another number. So 1. Nearest 10 they ask ones, tens. On tens place 1 is there. After that what I want? 5 or more than 5? No, 4 only. If 5 or more than 5 is there, then 1 will change in 2. Otherwise it will be same only. So 5, 3 as it is we have to write. Tens place will get changed, otherwise it will be same. But here next is 4. This is the smaller than 5, so it will be same. 1 will be 1 and have to put on this place 0. What they ask? Nearest 10. So at last 1 0 will come. Means like 10, 20, 30, 40 like this will come nearest 10. Okay. From question number 2 again you will get nearest 10 only we have to find. Ones and tens. Tens place 6. Okay. 6 will be same, otherwise it will be changed. But depends on another value. Another value is 7 here. More than 5. So definitely it will be changed now. Okay. 8, 7 will be as it is. 6 converted into 7 and have to put the 0 because they ask nearest 10. Okay. Got it? 6. Why it is changed? Because this 7 is more than 5. 5 or more than 5 if it is there. So 6 will change into 7. Got it? Next. 8008. Okay. Nearest 10 we have to round up. Ones and tens. Tens place is your 0 only. After that it will be same, otherwise it will change. After that 8 is there. More than 5 obviously. So 0 will convert in 1. 8 0 will be as it is. This 0 will convert in 1 and have to put the 0. Right? Getting my point? So from these examples, how to round up to the nearest 10, I think you got it. See here, question number B we will see. Round up the numbers to the nearest 100 they ask. Okay. In short I am writing to the nearest 100. In this, what will happen? 100 place will change or it will be same. Okay, here tens place it got changed, otherwise it will be same. Like this we have find it. See, question number first we will see 5314. Same example I have taken. Okay, to the nearest 100. So what is there? 100 place ones, tens, 100. Okay, see here in 100 place half of the 100 is 50. After this place I want 50, otherwise more than 50, then this will be changed, otherwise it will be same. So ones, tens, 100 place is your 3. After that what? Only 14. It is 50 or more than 50? No, it will be it is only 14, so that it will be same. 5, 3 will be same because 14 are there. not 15, sorry, not 50, 50 or not more than 50, so that it is same. And remaining two digits we have to put 20 because they asked nearest to 100. See here, 300 came. Here nearest 10 they asked, 10 came, 70, 10 again, like this came. Okay, from this example again we will come to know 8767. Okay, nearest 100 I want. Okay, ones, tens and 100 place is 7. After that 67, it is more than 50, right? More than 50, so that 7 will convert into 8. This 8 will be as it is, and 7 convert into 8, and remaining two digits we have to put 20, right? How it changed? Because 100 place, okay, 100 place I want 50 or more than 50 if it is there. After that places, ones, tens, 100 place is 7. After that 67, so that 7 is converted into 8, and remaining 20 we have to put. Like this you have to round up to the nearest 100. Again one example we will take to the nearest 1000. Okay, question number C, to the nearest 1000. Same example I will take. Okay, otherwise we will change also. 87531, like this example I have taken. Okay, what they ask? To the nearest 1000. Okay, half of the 1000 is 500. Okay, after these places I want 500, otherwise more than 500. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Your 1000 place is 5. After that 321. 321 only, simple. 500 or more than 500 it is? No. So 5 will be as it is. 87 as it is, 5 as it is, and remaining 30 you have to put, because they asked to the nearest 1000. So came 5000. Okay, got it? Again one example we will take. 985930. Okay, if like this example coming, so nearest 1000, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 1000 place which 5 will be same, otherwise it will change, but it depends on another value, means 933. 933, it is more than 500. 1000, half of the 1000 is 500, so 930, it is more than 500, so 5 will be changed in 6. Okay, remaining as it is 9, 8 as it is, 5 will change in 6, and have to put 3 zeros. This is the concept of round up to the nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. From this concept actually you have to solve all remaining questions of nearest 10, nearest 100 and nearest 1000. Here I want to say exercise 1.5 is over, and our this chapter also over. If any doubts are there, then you can share with me. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.